Alright, we good? Okay. Hi, how you guys doing? This is more Seagull again. Well, today we have quite a character with us today, I must say. Another star of the Big Show, if you have not heard yet. Again, I mentioned it last time. Excuse me. Okay, well, let me introduce. This is Mike Tree. Mike Tree?
Mike Tree.
How you doing?
Flesh.
In the flesh.
Yeah.
In the flesh. Okay, well, speaking of flesh, this comes close to one of our topics today. We're going to be talking about maybe off one of the normal Seagull, episodes, but we're going to be talking about parties and fights and all that crazy stuff. And no better person to talk to than Mike Tree. Mike Tree?
Oh man, I've been to so many parties that it's just like not a party anymore for me. It's just regular life.
Yeah, we can see
But
that.
today there's a further purpose of my enjoyment. Samurai swords.
Samurai swords.
Never bring these to a party.
Why is that? I mean, I don't...
Well, man, I was at a party earlier tonight,
Okay.
and the dude got jumped when he had his samurai sword on him.
Jumped.
Yeah.
What, by more than one person?
Yeah, he got beat the fuck up, man.
Beat?
Old school style.
Okay.
And then he's pulled out a samurai
Wait,
sword.
Mike Tree, if you don't mind me asking something, slow down. Mike Tree.
But
Go
it's
ahead.
so cool.
Mike Tree. Mr. Tree. Mr. Tree. Excuse me. Occurrences like they don't just come out and people don't just start wheeling out samurai swords at parties, do they?
No, luckily I didn't have mine. Otherwise it would have been Dynasty Warrior 6 and that bitch. And actually I'm more of a peaceful samurai.
Peaceful. Mr. Tree, these parties that you attend are people usually under the influence of more than just alcohol, must I say?
Yeah, this guy was snow and rocks, man.
Snow and rocks.
I don't even know what that means. That's how hardcore it is, bro. I mean,
Okay. Mr. Tree, excuse me, you put the sword away.
Huh?
You put the sword away now, Mr. Tree.
Oh, it's for my demonstration?
Oh, jeez, okay. So, Mr. Tree, it's, I know it's been quite some time now since, you just goes on your back just like that, you run around.
Well, after tonight, man, I've been double thinking about self-defense, and what better than the samurai sword that can chop bullets in half, made by Hattori Hanzo himself.
You're right. You're right. Self-defense is a factor, but I mean, just carrying around a samurai sword on your back, practical, Mr. Tree.
Well, yeah, if they pull out a samurai sword on me, I can defend myself, and then
Mr.
it's just
Tree.
like a duel to the
Like, people don't carry around samurai swords.
Well, next question, because I do, man.
Okay, Mr. Tree. Is it a... I know it's speculation's gone around that you are involved in, I mean, how must I say,
Involved in what, man? What are you trying to say, man? Hey, who sent you here, man?
Mr. Tree.
Who sent you here?
Okay, anybody, you can cut the scene, you can cut. Mr. Tree.
What?
Okay,
You're gonna sheath my
we keep
sword.
rolling? Okay, we'll keep rolling. Okay, anyways, people, as you can see here,
Where's my lighter, man?
is,
You have my lighter?
let me start
man?
again. People, please do not try anything you see.